All right, guys, welcome back again to another what is this? An inventory pickup video. Yeah, I'm going again to go pick up some more products at Walmart. I think a few of them are like new. I think there's one that I'm trying to finish the bundle, and it still wasn't available, so I still have a buttload of unfinished bundles. But yeah, things are going pretty good. I'm coming off of a hot month, so I did my biggest profit month last month so far, and hopefully keep going, keep snowballing it and grow it bigger. All right, so there's a good bit of inventory in my store so far. I don't want to make any predictions because the only thing that's been consistent with my predictions is me being wrong. But from looking at what I have in my store, I think I may be able to do another $200 profit month, potentially 300, because I'm going to be sending in new stuff, and the profit that I got from last month is going to be paid out this current month. So might actually be doing a $300 month, I think. Oh yeah, and I finally got at least like 30 some ASINs going in my store right now currently. So when I pick up these items, I should probably have close to 40 when I send it in, because right now I have 31 ASINs. And also, I think I have a pretty good lineup of products that are replens that I tested last month that I could probably bring into this month. So I'm pretty confident that these will be pretty good for this upcoming month. Because last month I was relying on like 2 products. I think there's about like three more replens that I think can actually like be something for a while. I don't know if they're gonna last as long as one of the other replens that I have, because the one replen that was kind of carrying my store last month, that replen has been in my store, or it has been on my list for like a year, and it hasn't been bad. But I think the reason why it's been on my list for a year is because it's somebody else's branded bundle. It's somebody else's branded bundle, and I'm selling on it, but they haven't hit anybody with an IP complaint or suspected IP complaint. But even their branded bundle is like, it doesn't really even complement what the actual product, like the actual product, you're supposed to have something to complement it. That's how you're supposed to actually make a branded bundle. The guy literally just, all he did was get a bag and put his brand name on it, and then he sold it with the item that I'm selling on. Or I don't know how to explain this. So I think this is what I think you're supposed to do. So let's say you're selling a cake mix, but if you wanted to make a branded bundle, you can get a let's say like there's a mixer that you can use to mix the cake mix. That's how you're supposed to actually do a branded bundle. You're supposed to have something that complements the main item. So if you have a cake mix and you have a mixer, I mean, you're supposed to use a mixer to mix up the cake mix. But what this guy did is he branded a bundle to hold the product. Like it comes with its own box, so you don't really need to brand a bag to hold the item. So some people even they'll brand their own boxes onto the product, which is not, I don't think that's the way you're supposed to actually do it. But I've seen a lot of people have like their own branded box, and then there's like all types of listings all over Amazon of people doing that. But I ain't no snitch, so I ain't gonna report anybody. But I don't think that's how you're supposed to do it.
What the fuck?
Hello.
Hi.
What's the name on the order?
It's Tyler.
Where would you like it?
Front seat.
Okay.
Alright, guys. We got a lot done today. I got a lot done today. Y'all watch me get things done today. Now, what the shit? Alright, so now next on the list is I need to get some food. Because I legit just woke up like an hour ago and put out the camera to start recording. Because, you know, I got to get that consistency, guys. How you guys like my consistency? It's been like a whole month. I'm proud of myself for uploading consistency for every Friday for a whole month. Now I just got to keep that up for the rest of the year and see what I want to do next with my channel.
Alright guys, so I'm back. So this is going to be the end of this video. As always, if you stayed all the way to the end to watch the full video, I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch the full video all the way to the end. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button down below. If you're new here and enjoy reselling content, hit that subscribe button. And as always, on your next Amazon purchase, click one of those links down at the bottom. And I'll see you in the next one.